for today's video, pupunta po kami sa Mikeliz Integrated Farm. Hinihintay ko na lang po yung mga kasamahan ko. Kaya, see you mamaya. Let's go!
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. So don't you let the sunlight go out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight.
This time, one of the popular tourism trends is ecotourism and experience tourism.
Hi! Welcome to Mikeliz Integrated Farm! Let's go! Good afternoon, everyone. So today we're going to feature an agri-tourism destination here in Camarines Sur. So today, nandito po tayo sa Mikeliz Integrated Farm located here in Soto Bigas, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. So, titingnan natin ano mga pinifeature nila. Bakit ba dinadayo ang farm na ito? Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So, here at the back, you can see may mga plantation sila ng dragon fruit. So, isa talaga sa pinopromote at pinag-investa ng farm na ito is their dragon fruit because sa mga health benefits na naitutulot ito.
Ecotourism emphasizes the appreciation and conservation of nature, with the growing concerns about climate change and the depletion of natural resources. Travelers are seeking destinations and activities that align with their environmental values. Ecotourism promotes sustainable farming practices, conservation efforts, and responsible travel in natural areas. Hindi lang yan. We also have experience tourism. It aims to provide genuine and inspiring experience to travelers. Nowadays, tourists are looking for real and authentic experiences, such as immersing themselves in local cultures, tradition, and the ways of life. The farm also offers a range of healthy products sourced directly from their own farm. As you can see, you can indulge in these nutritious treats while supporting sustainable farming practices. And here's another fascinating features of the farm, the mulberry tree. Mulberry trees are known for their sweet and nutritious fruits. And the farm guide showing us how to properly cut and prepare the tree for planting.
Kahit lang siya. Pero atom lang dapat lang siya mag-prune. Kasi dahil siya magpahalangkaw. Tapos, pag naglankaw na prune mo siya, for transport lang. Cutting na naman.
Now, let's meet one of the adorable residents of the farm, the rabbits. These cute little creatures are a delight to interact with. You can pet them, feed them, and learn more about their role in sustainable farming practices. They also have playgrounds that bring joy to families and children. Away from things I've let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go on. During our visit to the playground, one of our companions couldn't resist the temptation to play our classic game, named Chico. So, whether you're a parent looking to spend quality time with your kids, a group of friends seeking adventure, or simply someone who wants a peaceful day, the Mikeliz Integrated Farm is the perfect place to be.
Welcome to Brave Cacao.
Shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter.
Come on, Babunos!
Where I go.
As we continue our journey, we discovered Crave Cacao, the sister farm of Mikeliz Integrated Farm.
Till tomorrow, winding to myself. Away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the
As we ventured through the farm, we couldn't help but be amazed by the sight of various varieties of cacao trees. The highlight of our visit was the enchanting tree house. As we go up the tree house, we treated a panoramic view of the sprawling cacao plantation.
we go bottoms up.
So the overlooking
We go bottoms up. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up.
So come on and experience the beauty, the authenticity, and the healthy delights of Mikeliz Integrated Farm.